Welcome to Forestry Fastest, where you will witness impressive performances of the timber industry. Today, we will explore the power and creativity of giant machines in handling giant trees, creative trucks, and talented drivers overcoming difficult challenges. Can these tools solve these difficult challenges? Let's follow and wait for the dramatic handling in today's video. Wow, this tree is really too big and looks very dangerous because it is hollow inside. The tree cutting team worked very professionally, from the use of protective equipment to the quick and safe handling. It must be admitted that this tree could have fallen at any time if not handled promptly. The tree cutting was necessary to ensure the safety of the surrounding area. But it is also a pity that it has existed for so many years. This job certainly requires a lot of skill and experience. You definitely can't take your eyes off this vehicle, specially designed to transport giant logs. The vehicle is not only powerful, but also extremely delicate. With excellent handling and support from the people around, every log is transported easily, quickly, and without much effort. An impressive and efficient performance. This old man, with composure and dexterity, used the powerful John Deere machine to quickly and neatly cut down trees in the garden. Despite his old age, thanks to superior technology, the work becomes easy and safe. Truly impressive. Let's admire the Ponce Ergo 8W, a technological wonder in the logging industry. With a precise cutting bucket system and the ability to move flexibly on all terrains, this machine makes tree felling easier and more efficient than ever. Thanks to its 8-wheel design, the Ponce Ergo 8W can operate on rough terrain, providing maximum stability and safety. Each of its movements is precise to the millimeter, saving time and effort, while minimizing losses during the mining process. A perfect combination of technology and power. It will definitely leave you unable to take your eyes off it. You will definitely be overwhelmed by the power of the CBI ChipMax 484 Portable. With a capacity of up to 765 horsepower, this machine can handle all kinds of the toughest materials, from wood to solid materials, in the blink of an eye. Its excellent mobility and robust design allow it to work anywhere, delivering outstanding efficiency without taking too much time. Not only that, this machine also helps save operating costs and optimizes the process, making the work faster and more efficient than ever. Pay attention to detail because this piece of wood is not easy to handle. It is an expensive piece of wood, and even the smallest mistake can make all your efforts go down the drain. This job is not for the impatient. The sharp cutter, capable of cutting to the millimeter, is working meticulously and precisely. Each piece of wood is so perfect that you will be amazed. But don't let this perfection fool you. Just one wrong cut, that powerful machine will not be lenient, and the consequences from this precious piece of wood are something no one wants to see. This is the work of truly skilled craftsmen. Every move is vital. Attention, an impressive performance is taking place right before your eyes. This man, with great strength and dexterity, is skillfully dismantling and felling trees high above. Each saw stroke is precise as if it had been calculated in advance, and in just a few seconds, the tree is felled with ease. But that's not all. He continues to use the powerful micro-bull machine, transporting heavy logs neatly, safely, and efficiently. Not only that, a specialized tree trimmer is also used, helping to trim the tree stump smoothly. With the combination of advanced technology and powerful tools, this work becomes a perfect demonstration, full of technique and strength, where every detail is handled with absolute precision.
Holy crap, that's gonna be heavy.
Before us is a truly eye-catching competition, where not only the power of the powerful V8 engine, but also the extraordinary strength and competitive spirit of the boys, and the girls too. Every saw, every cut on the unlucky wooden bars is like facing the end of the world. The contestants, whether male or female, show uncompromising determination. No one gives up. With the perfect coordination between man and machine, the wooden bars are cut one by one, creating a competition that is impossible to take your eyes off. In your opinion, which team will win? Impressive.
There we go.
This self-designed motorbike helps loggers move logs in hard-to-reach areas with ease. However, behind it is the smooth coordination and help of many people, creating a creative and effective strategy. This guy is so creative. Using the motorbike and the tire as a lever, he quickly and easily removed a stubborn tree stump in the garden. A simple but extremely effective solution. You will definitely be amazed. This truck is not only flexible, but also extremely effective. It not only carries trees, but also helps move large, heavy logs onto the vehicle, requiring only one person to help. Indeed, this is a special vehicle, saving a lot of effort and time, providing the perfect solution for logging work. With extensive experience and professional skills, this guy had no difficulty using the powerful saw to cut down large trees. With just a few skillful movements, the tree fell down gently and easily. The chainsaws were all the same, but the completion time was completely different. Each contestant demonstrated their ability to use the saw skillfully, bringing tense, unpredictable competitions. Who will be the winner? Oh, look at this giant tree. With the power of the saw and the experience of just one person, can he cut down and tame this huge tree? Let's watch and see if he can conquer this challenge. This log is over 1,000 years old, truly huge and impressive. To transport it to the factory, a powerful tractor was dedicated. Let's watch and see how people will handle this log. Can you guess what kind of wood this is? Leave your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share to motivate me to make more interesting videos. The Bandit Model 19XP and 1890XP wood crusher is truly a powerful machine. With the ability to quickly crush branches and excess wood, It saves time and effort, bringing great efficiency in logging work. Komatsu PC 200 Harvester, a powerful machine processing wood quickly and accurately. With flexible mobility and efficient wood cutting, it is an indispensable companion in the mining industry. Look, this homemade motorcycle is becoming the perfect solution for transporting wood in Southeast Asian countries. With its innovative design, it easily moves through any terrain, saving both energy and time.
Oh my God.
What an impressive performance. The tree stump was completely removed. With the extensive experience of tractor drivers, he faced a tough challenge. A small but rough curve that can make even experienced drivers wary. Can he overcome it without incident? Let's follow and see this surprising result. With its superior power and modern technology, the Ponce Scorpion Giant-H8 head is an indispensable companion in professional logging work. Equipped with a powerful H8 cutting head, the machine not only helps to trim and pick up wood quickly, but also has the ability to handle large trees with absolute precision. With its 360-degree rotation and intelligent control system, the Ponce Scorpion Giant allows the operator to operate easily, even in rough terrain areas. Can this machine face the challenge of giant logs, overcoming all obstacles in the deep forest? Let's watch this dramatic performance. The Moorbark 40/36 drum chipper is a powerful tool designed to process wood, trees, and other materials quickly and efficiently. With the ability to crush large and powerful wood pieces, this machine is widely used in forest clearing, wood processing, and even the creation of biofuels. It not only saves time, but also improves work efficiency, minimizing waste in the wood processing process. This log has a very prominent red color. The precise cuts of the saw have revealed its inner color. This bright red color is not a coincidence, but a sign of a special type of wood. With such color and texture, it is possible that this is Hainan wood, a precious wood, outstanding with its characteristic red color and very durable. This guy really impressed with his ability to use a chainsaw skillfully. Not only that, he also climbed trees as nimbly as a monkey, making the job of felling large trees simple and easy. The logs and trees in front of him, no matter how big, could not stop him. His skill and flexibility were truly admirable. Follow and watch him work. You will see the sophistication and professionalism in every move. The Carlton 7015 TRX is truly a hero in woodworking. With a powerful engine and superior performance, it can easily handle large, heavy logs. In particular, the transmission system and high chassis help this machine move flexibly on rough terrain, even in hard-to-reach areas. This is a giant tree that can fall on the house at any time, threatening everyone's safety. So this guy can't sit still. He decides to cut down the tree immediately. Can he do this job safely and effectively? Let's follow. We will experience every tense minute. This truck is too old, but can it overcome this final challenge?
Buang semua lah.
Thank you for watching the video on the Forestry Fastest channel. Hopefully the information about logging machinery is useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. See you in the next video.